In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an invoice using a CSV file in Go High Level. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to smoothly bring your invoice data into the platform without having to create everything manually. First, make sure you're logged in to your Go High Level account and that you're in the correct location or sub-account where you want the invoices to live. Once you're in the right place, look to the left-hand side of your screen for the main navigation menu. From there, click on the section labeled Payments. This is where Go High Level organizes all of your billing tools, including invoices, estimates, and recurring templates. After you've opened the Payments area, you'll see several tabs or options across the top. Go ahead and click on Invoices and Estimates. This will take you into the part of the platform dedicated specifically to one-time invoices and any estimates you might be sending to clients. Inside this section, you'll see different views you can switch between. To make sure you're seeing everything, click on the view labeled All Invoices. This ensures that you're in the main invoice list and sets you up in the right place to start the import process. Now look toward the top right corner of the invoice page for a button labeled New. This button is normally used to create a brand new invoice from scratch, but it also gives you access to the import option. Click on New, and a small menu or drop-down will appear. From that menu, choose the option that says Import Invoices using CSV. This is the feature that allows you to bring in multiple invoices at once from a spreadsheet-style file instead of creating them one by one. Before you click, it's a good idea to make sure your CSV file is ready, formatted with clear column headers like customer name, invoice number, dates, and amounts, following any template or sample file the system provides. Once you click on Import Invoices using CSV, Go High Level will open a guided import window. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Typically, you will be asked to upload your CSV file, match each column from your file to the correct invoice field in Go High Level, and then confirm everything looks right before starting the import. Take your time on the mapping step and double check your dates, totals, and contact details. When you're satisfied, proceed through the